Now, as I said, when we play the instrument, there are two types of mastery that one should have. One is on the keyboard for playing in faster rhythm. Say, for example, if I play to when we start learning, it will be even it takes time to play this, but when we master it, so depending on the what raga we want to play and all, we can master it. Second is to practice in a very slow kind of a tempo. But when we are talking about Indian classical music, first we start with alap to create the total atmosphere of that particular raga. So we have to basically play in a very lower tempo, and there you have to control it. So this is one thing has to practice. So as I mentioned, two-way practice is required. One is the control on keyboard, which I just told you how it should be, and the second is control on this particular part, bellow. So the bellow should be according to the size of the harmonium. It should not be very small, it should not be very big. Depending on the total size of the harmonium or samadhini, it should be there. And one should have a good control over that. Means the spring action of the upper bellow and the, as I mentioned you, there is a bellow inside, the pressure of that spring there. How tight it should be, how loose it should be. When we say halka fulka music or some light alap or taan, and when it comes with a pressure, for example, if I say, and so there is a major difference when we use this bellow. When we are seeing another things like flute, they can come nearer to the mic, they can go slightly away from the mic, but with this heavy instrument, I can't move back and forth. So this structure has to be. So all these effects has to be a combination, has to be there, that one has to become a master on how we use the keys as well as how we control the bellow. So this is the total information of this instrument. Also in between I mentioned about my guru, and you asked me about this Swaramandal also. So it was his invention to popularize this particular instrument for solo, and for certain changes were needed in this particular instrument. First thing is, it is a Western instrument adapted here, so some tuning changes is there which were necessary for Indian classical music, and the introduction of this particular Swaramandal to give the continuity effect, which becomes very Indian, suitable for Indian classical music.
Thank you very much, sir, for this valuable information.
Thank you.